And what was that you said about Cromwell?
Cromwell, well, he was here in about 1646 to oversee the siege of Banbury Castle.
Right.
Which is down where the old shopping centre now stands.
We're Paul and Suzanne, and we'd love you to join us on our days out. There's a bit of history to this pub, apparently.
Is there?
Yeah. And they're the best burgers in Banbury, apparently. So it says there. Shall we go in?
Yes.
Just have a look along here a minute. Right, so you may have guessed we're in Banbury. And it's another lovely sunny but really cold afternoon, isn't it?
Well, the sun's gone in a bit at the minute.
I've got my hat on and my cap. Let's go see if we can get something to eat.
I'll let you know. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
I don't know whether to have chilli, katsu curry or mac and cheese. Lots of nice ones here I like.
Decisions. While I'm waiting at the bar, I'll give you a bit of history. The Reindeer Inn, Banbury, with its heavy wooden doors leading through to the yard at the rear, bearing the inscription Anno Din 1570, was used by Oliver Cromwell while laying siege to the now destroyed Banbury Castle. It is said Oliver Cromwell planned the Battle of Edge Hill in the pub's fine wood-panelled globe room, which was also used as a courtroom to try many royalists. Table 1, mac and cheese with a side of chips and fish and chips. There you go, Suzanne. Christmas would be the time to come here, wouldn't it? Come back at Christmas time. Yeah, very nice.
Macaroni cheese, garlic bread, but I'm not a fan. And I've had a bowl of chips.
Oh dear.
I know it's not very steaming well, but I'm hungry.
Well, I've got chips. They seem to be coming every Saturday at the moment, don't they? Fish and chips. Cromwell here, Suzanne. And the Cromwell bar. Right, so it's this way up to Banbury Cross.
Okay.
But it isn't a cross, it's a monument. It's the road that's the crossroads, I believe. And that is the old parish church over there. Strange, isn't it?
Yeah.
Looks more like a museum or something, wouldn't you think?
Yeah, it does.
St Mary the Virgin. A couple of strange column type things here. Must have been the old entrance.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's quite strange for a parish church, isn't it?
It is a bit. It is like a monument.
It is. There's some age to it by the look of it though. St Mary the Virgin is a beautiful Georgian neoclassical building. The medieval church had been badly damaged during the Civil War and collapsed in 1790. The tower collapsed the next day. It was replaced by this lovely building, said to be modelled on churches designed by Sir Christopher Wren. The east end was redesigned in the mid-19th century. Well, we didn't score the meals in the pub because there were quite a few people around us, weren't there?
Yeah, it was busy.
But I'm going to give mine a solid 9, and it would have been a 10 if the fish had been a bit more crispy.
And I'm giving mine a 7. It was very nice, but I thought they could have had more cheese in with the macaroni. Not on the top, because that was all lovely and crispy, but in with the sauce. But nice.
And lovely surroundings next to that fire, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's go and look at a little bit more history, shall we?
Yeah.
The famous Banbury Cross. And what's the old...
Yeah, I'm sure everyone knows the rhyme.
What is
Ride a cock horse to Banbury Cross.
Yeah.
See a fine lady upon a white horse.
And I have never looked into the history of it before, but I've always imagined it would be sort of a monument to a war or a battle or something. But in fact, it's just there to commemorate the wedding of Queen Victoria's oldest daughter. And you know, I never knew that. Now, of course, when you ride in the Cock Horse to Banbury Cross, you need the Cock Horse, and apparently that's over there, isn't it? So let's just have a good look at this.
The only thing is, they haven't done the horse white.
Does it have white in it, the rhyme? I'm trying to...
Ride a cock horse to Banbury Cross to see a fine lady upon a white horse.
Oh, right, okay. Well, it's probably bronze or something, so it would be difficult to get it white, wouldn't it? Excuse me. So here we are. Ride a cock horse to Banbury Cross to see a fine lady upon a white horse, with rings on her fingers and bells on her toes. She shall have music wherever she goes.
I knew that.
Right, yeah. Oh, there's a bit more information over here. In the Middle Ages, 3 crosses stood in different locations around the town. All 3, the White Cross in the West Bar, the Bread Cross near the Butcher's Row and High Street, and finally the High or Market Cross in Cornhill, were all destroyed by Puritans at the start of the 1600s. The Puritans disliked religious imagery and superstitions associated with it. Right, Now obviously on a lot of the visits we do, we've been to a lot of cathedrals and churches, haven't we?
Yeah.
But it's something slightly different today because you're a Catholic, aren't you?
Yeah.
And up here, there is a lovely looking old Catholic church, so we're going to go and take a look, aren't we?
Yeah, that'll be nice for me.
Yeah. So this is the part of Banbury really that starts to look a bit Cotswoldy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely wide street. Another old pub there, the Swan. And then the church is just up here. Now, what was it called again?
St. John the Evangelist.
Was it? Something like that, I think, yeah. So let's hope it's open and that you can actually get inside. Ooh, it's getting a bit chilly now, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm just thankful I bought my nice fluffy hat, furry hat.
Yeah, but you're always cold these days.
Right, so here we are. Excuse me. St. John the Evangelist Catholic Church, and the door is open. So you'll be looking forward to going in and have a look, won't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I find, as you know I always say, that I find a lot of the Catholic churches architecturally quite modern.
It's Mary.
What is this you want to look at?
It's Our Lady.
What, sorry?
It's Our Lady.
Our Lady. Mary.
Yeah. I'm gonna say a prayer.
Is there anything you have to do in front of that? I thought you would. So, what would that be called there, Suzanne?
The presbytery.
The presbytery, where the
Priests live.
priests live. Right.
When you enter the church, you must wear a face covering.
Suzanne, so what are these things down the side?
They're the,
Stations of the Cross To.
yeah.
Oh, listen to me.
I know. Oh, look, they've still got the Christmas card.
Do you like that? So it looks a bit of that sculpture has fallen off, Suzanne, from up there, and here it is, hiding this floodlight. So it had a second life, look. Got a bit emotional, didn't you, in there?
I did. I always do.
Right, so we need to find our way back to the town centre.
For a little bit of shopping.
Okay. Anything you're looking for in particular?
No? Oh. Maybe something for Libby.
Something for Libby.
Shall we have a look?
Yeah. She's got so many things that beep and light up and buttons and switches and...
Do you know what she keeps wanting to grab?
What?
The telecontrol.
Oh.
So if we could find something like that.
What, a child's remote control?
Yeah, she loves it, but
Libby's our granddaughter, but we had no luck trying to find a toy remote control. Both of us needed new screen protectors for our iPhones, and at £15 for the two, why not? Right, Suzanne, at the back of this shopping centre is the Oxford Canal. I think it's the Oxford. I might be wrong, but...
oh yeah, there is a canal.
Castle Quay. Yeah, Oxford Canal. I remember the last time we came years ago that I was quite surprised. It's so beautiful here, but there's no bars or anything.
Heart filled with worries, no more. In a world full of sorrows, what for? You watch the world from the place beneath the willow, the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow. Out of the darkness, a sound. It all seems so harmless. A silver light. Don't you wait until the morning light, the morning light. Far away until you're out of sight, you're out of sight. Cause you gotta let know while you can. Don't look back, don't forget. You gotta let know while you can. Don't look back, don't forget. You gotta let know while you can. Don't you wait, don't you wait